Haha, it's tricky because there's ribbon.
Daddy, I need help opening this.
Whoa.
Whoa, what is it?
It's something. It's for Daddy and Colin. Daddy and Colin one.
Ooh.
It's cutting.
It's cutting foods? Nice. Looks like Bridgie's really interested in cutting food also.
Help out, Bridgie. Grab, pull.
No, don't sit on it, Sweet Pea. You're heavy. Hey, Bridgie, come here. Oh, she really wants that food. That's interesting. Here, distract. Give her something else. Give her this.
Hurry, give her a Bridgie toy. Bridgie. Bridgie. Bridget, you got my book.
Oh boy, she is really into it.
Okay, guys. Bridget.
What if you pick Bridget up for a minute?
Bridget, Colin's hand was under there. You're honoring. Yes, that looks fun.
Open it up.
Okay, come on over.
Open it up.
Come here.
Like this.
Okay, I'm gonna put down the